So I know on this channel we talk a lot about cryptocurrencies and how to buy, sell cryptocurrencies, especially for Ashinga Space. I know a lot of people want to advertise with Ashinga Space but don't know how to actually get your asimi tokens, right? So in this video, I'm going to be taking you step by step through how you can acquire Bitcoin through different exchanges, or how you can buy in almost any token and any cryptocurrencies that you want using your own normal everyday money. I'm talking about your US dollars, your pounds, your euros, your South African rand, and so forth, right? So whatever currency that you got, you'll be able to transact that into any cryptocurrencies by buying and selling, right? Or online, fully online. You can do this on your own, so you don't have middleman or whatsoever who's going to increase your rates and so forth. So basically, I'm taking you step by step through the whole process of actually buying directly from exchanges, so that you save a lot of money instead of buying through middlemen or platforms that actually do buying and selling of cryptocurrencies, which obviously includes their own fees, so that they make their own profits, right? So first of all, by far, this is the best exchange that I've been able to do that with. My current Visa account and even MasterCard. If you have your MasterCard or your Visa card, you'll be able to transact this. You'll be able to buy and sell Bitcoins on this market, which is called South Exchange. So you simply just type in southexchange.com on your search browser, or you just search for it, and then you'll be able to find the link and then go to that website. Or you can go to coinmarketcap.com and then search for South Exchange, and then they'll give you the link there. Then you'll be able to navigate to that platform and then be able to create your account. So basically, this is what South Exchange is all about. It's secure, it's real time, low fees, mobile friendly. This is actually one of the best reasons why I actually choose South Exchange over most other exchanges out there, because there's really, really low fee when it comes to transactions, withdrawals, and trading, right? So basically, what they mean by trading, it's not about looking at charts and all that stuff. It's all about just converting your currencies that you have for other cryptocurrencies. So let's say you want to buy Bitcoin, but you only have US dollars. So you basically send your US dollars, and then this platform automatically translates that into your Bitcoin. But let's say you have Bitcoin and you want to get Ethereum, so you'll be able to navigate to the market section, and then once you're on the markets, you select the pair Bitcoin against Ethereum, right? And then you see at the highest bidder. So what it comes down to this, when it comes to cryptocurrencies trading, is basically you have buyers and sellers. So you are looking to sell your Bitcoin so that you gain Ethereum. So there will be people selling Ethereum, and then you have to be the bidder. So you find prices that are there. If they suit you, you take them. If they are not for you, then you basically set that your recommending or what you feel like paying for that Bitcoin as your bid. So those sellers will look for the highest bidders, or you look for bidders that are available, and then they'll be able to fulfill those orders. So once they're fulfilled, then you're done. So that's basically trading when it comes to cryptocurrencies exchanging. All right. So anyways, you got mobile friendly. Our platform are designed from scratch to be usable on mobile devices. So they don't have an app just yet, but you can use their website even on your mobile phones or on your desktop, your laptops, whatever device you have. So all you have to do, you just have to get your free account. It's free to join. You don't have to pay for anything. You simply just put in your details, and then you get your account. Then you'll be able to I think you should verify your account, but I don't think that's necessary to be able to transact or do anything. And then they have also faucets, which basically just gives you free cryptocurrencies. So if I can just go to markets, for example, right now, so I can show you before we proceed to other exchanges that I mainly trust and use. So the next exchange is going to be Coinbase, which is obviously one of the most well-known worldwide. This is one of the biggest crypto exchanges online that you can find. So if you come here, so this is the market that I've been talking about. So let's say you've got Bitcoin, right, and you want to exchange it for Ethereum. So you simply come here and type Bitcoin, and then you'll see the markets that are there. So you can type add, we forgot the backslash, and then you type in F, and then you'll be able to find the ones that are there. So let's just quickly select on Bitcoin first, because that was USD. I think that's Tether. So you select Bitcoin, and then you search for Bitcoin with Ethereum, right? Or you can just search Ethereum, and then right there. So you can